Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're checking out a VR accessory for your MetaQuest 3 headset. These are the Knuckle Controller Grip Covers for your Quest 3 made by Kiwi Design. They retail for $35 on their website. For an extra 5% off, you can use the promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters. In this one, I'll unbox, I'll assemble, and I'll give you my review of them. If you're worried hearing about tracking issues in the past, these are upgraded ones. Kiwi has redesigned them to get rid of any tracking issues that people may have had. So check these ones out. Let's jump into it. Here's the nice Kiwi Design box. Very simple, very small. Inside we have our controller grips and we have our user manual here. Inside our user manual, simple installation process and the contents of the box. Very small for this one because we don't have a whole lot going on here. So let's check these out. So these are upgraded compared to their previous ones. Now already I can see that the coating here on the rim is different. We still have the nice soft silicone grippy material. It's kind of ribbed. We still have our leather strap on the side, metal clips, metal button, and we have our Velcro here. So that Velcro can be adjusted to any different size that you want. I know some people have complained about not having different notches here, but by having it like this, you can make it more adjustable and customizable for your own hand. So this can really go up to about there, which can fit very large hands. I've got about average large hands, I would say, and that's too big for me. For me, even just the regular size there fits my hand nicely. Anyways, that's kind of my first impressions there. A little bit different there from the originals. Let me grab that and we can just kind of compare them actually. Alright, so this is one of their original controller grip covers from the left ones. They still have both have the buttons or the holes in the bottom for sensor capabilities. The new one though has larger space on the bottom, and I think that is helping with tracking as well. And then yeah, the material on the top here is a little bit different, but everything else is very similar. Personally, I didn't have any tracking issues with the old ones. I know some people did, but they've made this new design with slightly bigger sensor holes, and maybe this different rim on the top here is supposed to help with that as well, because it is more see-through than the other one was. So let's install these here. To do that, we simply just take this and you can feed it through the bottom there, and all you need to do is just pull it up over top, and there you go. That's all it takes. So we'll do that here with the other one as well. And again, there we go. Nice, easy to install. So I'm going to use these for a little bit, see if I end up having any tracking issues with them. They fit this nice and snug, and we'll come back and I'll give you my review. Okay, I've had a chance to use these grip covers now. Wanted to give you my review of them. In terms of how stable they are on my hands, they're very adjustable, and so you can easily adjust it to the tightness that you need for your hand. They definitely weren't going anywhere with my hands here. When I was playing some games that included a lot of movement. They were stable, they were secure, and I really liked that. In terms of how they feel, I do like the leather back on this strap here. I find that I've used some that are just silicone all the way around, and it made my hand sweat a little bit more. Having the leather back here was nice. I can feel the little bit of metal on the top here and here, but it wasn't really bothersome. Other ones that have just the silicone, I guess, are smooth all the way around, but to me, I didn't really notice it. One thing that I really do like about the Kiwi controller straps here controller covers here, is their ribbed design. Other ones that I've tried are ribbed in certain parts or very smooth in other parts. I like this whole ribbed design. It's very comfortable, and it is made to help that sweat kind of get wicked away as well there. I didn't have any tracking issues with these ones, and personally with the other ones I didn't have any tracking issues as well. I played Beat Saber with them both. Beat Saber is a good one for tracking issues because you'll miss notes if you have any tracking issues. But again, I didn't find any tracking issues here. It has the sensor hole on the bottom here. They enlarged the bottom here as well where this is coming out, and then they made this part transparent on the top. So I don't think you're going to be having any more tracking issues if you did with the previous ones. So if you want to purchase these, you can do so on the Kiwi website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.